So guys, so okay, this is street light bus, yeah, and this is new brake chamber installed, and then we have installed the new air pipe as well, going to the release valve, and it has ABS lights on the dashboard, like so. I wonder why, as I disconnect this ABS here, this wire here was on it. I don't know what the fucking story is, but it looks weird. So somebody has to ground this thing by purpose. So we're gonna remove the wire that's just to be grounded. So and then yeah, and then we put it back on like so. See, there's only two connectors in here. So the reason, maybe the reason why they put grounded this one, because we have incident like this one was there's a pipe here is blown, no? This is the old one, and it blew up by this one here, snap the T connector that was on the brake chamber in here was snapped, so we get the new one. This is not the T pipe, this is some kind of L shape, elbow pipe, but we just, since we cannot found the T pipe type, so we just use the L shape, the elbow type, like and it has the same result also as well, although it has no like tester here, but doesn't need tester. So like need step down connectors, union nut, and then direct to the quick release bulb, and then we're gonna deal here the EBS in. We're going to connect that one because obviously that was made by intention, no? To ground the EBS, so it will keep going, it will not lock up the wheel on both sides. So we're going to connect this one here, so like that. Need to make sure that it's holding tight, so, and that's it. Okay, and then we're gonna secure it by having the cable tie here. Secure it, cable ties. Okay, and then some things support here. Keep it as well, this one. Okay, and that's it. And we're gonna look for the other part. Gonna check everything here, so we will not miss anything as we go into the brake test. So we're gonna look for the ABS here. This is the connector for the ABS. This one here looks like in good shape, but yeah, no, we don't touch that one. Looks like in good shape. So we're gonna put this down, and then we're going for the brake test. That's it. So adjusted the 2 clicks here, both side 2 clicks. and that's it.